Hi friends, welcome to Jupiter's collection. My name is Kavita and I am from Mumbai. I have some rare scarce coins for you all today. Let's start. 1965 25 paise Calcutta Mint for 100 rupees. 1982 Calcutta Mint Dabbu coin BU condition for 200. Asian Games Calcutta Mint UNC condition for 200. 1973 Calcutta Mint UNC condition scarce coin for 200. 1961 Mumbai Mint for 100 rupees. 1965 Calcutta Mint for 100. Dabbu coin 1990 Calcutta Mint UNC condition for 200. Fisheries UNC condition Mumbai Mint for 200. Nehru Mumbai Mint UNC condition for 200. Shama Prasad UNC condition Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Calcutta Mint scarce coin only for 200. 1962 Calcutta Mint for 100. Asian Games Mumbai Mint BU condition for 200. Rainfed Farming Calcutta Mint very scarce coin only for 400 rupees. Happy Child Mumbai Mint UNC condition 200 rupees. Shama Prasad Mukherjee UNC condition Hyderabad Mint for 500. Shama Prasad Mukherjee UNC condition Calcutta Mint for 400. Tourism Year Mumbai Mint UNC condition for 400. Water for Life Calcutta Mint UNC condition for 300. Half rupees 1946 Mumbai Mint for 300. Supreme Court Calcutta Mint BU condition for 300. Commonwealth Game Noida Mint UNC condition for 200. Commonwealth Game Hyderabad Mint UNC condition for 200. Food and Work for All Calcutta Mint this 5 paise only for 300. Rainfed Farming Mumbai Mint UNC condition 300. Food and Work for All Mumbai Mint UNC condition for 300. Happy Child Nation Pride Hyderabad Mint for 300. Planned Families Mumbai Mint UNC condition for 200. ONGC Hyderabad Mint BU condition for 200. FAO Agriculture Mumbai Mint AUNC condition for 300 rupees with mild rotation. ILO Noida Mint AUNC condition only for 400 rupees. Some people told me they can't afford UNC condition, so for them this is AUNC condition I bought. FAO Noida Mint AUNC condition for 400 rupees. Maharana Pratap Hyderabad Mint, it's a die cut error. See the error there in the corner. This is a die cut error coin only for 300 rupees. BU condition. Tourism Year. Supreme Court Noida Mint UNC condition for 400 rupees. Youth Year Mumbai Mint AUNC condition for 200 rupees. Equality Development Mumbai Mint UNC condition for 300. AUNC condition ILO Mumbai Mint for 300. Small Family Happy Family UNC condition for 500 rupees with mild rotation. Sant Tukaram UNC condition Hyderabad Mint for 400 rupees. Mahatma Gandhi UNC condition Mumbai Mint for 300. "50 Years of United Nations Kolkata Mint for 400. Youth Year Kolkata Mint BU condition for 500. Biodiversity Hyderabad Mint UNC condition for 700 rupees. Commonwealth Parliamentary Mumbai Mint BU condition 400 rupees. Sant Tukaram I already showed. This is a Noida Mint. Sant Tukaram Noida Mint UNC condition for 300 rupees. 150 years Railways Bolu Noida Mint UNC condition for 400. Care for Girl Child UNC condition Mumbai Mint 300. Sant Dhaneshwar Kolkata Mint UNC condition scarce coin only for 200 rupees. Youth Year Kolkata Mint AUNC condition just for 200 rupees with mild rotation. United Nations Mumbai Mint AUNC condition for 300. Agri Expo Mumbai Mint BU condition. In this BU condition it's a rare coin only for 1400 rupees. First War of Independence Mumbai Mint BU condition for 500 rupees. Water for Life Mumbai Mint BU condition for 700 rupees. Sant Dhaneshwar Noida Mint UNC condition for 400 rupees. Subhash Chandra Bose UNC condition Mumbai Mint very scarce coin for 600 rupees. Subhash Chandra Bose AUNC condition Hyderabad Mint only for 500 rupees. There is no much difference. You can see it's like UNC only. If you can't add UNC, you can add AUNC. See Hyderabad Mint. It's almost UNC condition only. You can see the condition. Noida Mint BU condition food and environmental only for 800 rupees. Extra fine condition Mother's Health for 400 rupees. Noida Mint. 97 Hyderabad Mint AUNC condition rare coin only for 600 rupees. You can see the luster. Care for Girl Child Hyderabad Mint AUNC condition with full luster. You can see disc effect. only for 1600 rupees. This is a rare coin, you don't get in the UNC. To get also AUNC is very difficult, not easy to get in AUNC also. Hyderabad Mint, K. Kamaraj, UNC condition. These both coin for 500 rupees, both Hyderabad Mint. These two coins for 500 rupees. You have to take two. Biodiversity, Mumbai Mint, UNC condition, only for 400 rupees. Tamil Conference, Noida Mint, UNC condition. You can see the condition. You don't get in the UNC condition. Noida Mint, this Tamil Conference, 5 rupees. But you can see this micro scratch is there one. That's why I am giving it for only 2000 rupees. Otherwise this coin sells for above 4000 rupees in UNC BUNC condition. You can see the condition. And I have Mother's Health, Noida Mint. This also UNC condition. This coins also sells above 3000 rupees in UNC condition. But this also has a micro scratch. I'll show you the micro scratch. You can see this here, micro scratch. This all from Mint only. This is for 1400 rupees. If you want to take both, I can give you some discount. 3400 is here total. It becomes, if you take both, I'll give for 3100 rupees, 300 less with free shipping. ICDS, Hyderabad Mint, UNC condition, only for 800 rupees. 1977 Calcutta Mint, UNC condition, rare coin, this 10 paise is rare, 900 rupees. Civil Aviation, Hyderabad Mint, BU condition, for only 500 rupees. Food and Work for All, Calcutta Mint, UNC condition, only for 500 rupees. 2006 Noida Mint, UNC condition, very scarce coin, only for 400 rupees. After 2004, this coin is very scarce. Ambedkar, Hyderabad Mint, only for 500 rupees. Tamil Conference, Noida Mint, extra fine condition, for 500 rupees. Dadabhai Naoroji, BU condition, for 400 rupees. Die crack, Tamil Conference. I'll show you the die crack. You can see the die crack. This end to this end, there is a die crack. Rare coin plus die crack makes it very rare. This is for 1200 rupees. Error coin, rare error coin, and condition also extra fine plus, only for 1200 rupees. FAO, Agriculture, AUNC condition, Hyderabad Mint, very scarce coin, only for 600 rupees. See the luster, nothing less than UNC condition. UNC condition, Parliamentary 93, Mumbai Mint, only for 1000 rupees. Agri Expo, Mumbai Mint, BU condition, for 1400 rupees. Forestry for Development, Hyderabad Mint, UNC condition, for 900 rupees. Agri Expo, Mumbai Mint, UNC condition, for 900 rupees. Quit India Movement UNC condition Kolkata Mint only for 700 rupees. United Nation UNC condition for 800 rupees. UNC condition. This is only more than 100 rupees more than book price. Book says 700. I am giving for 100 rupees more for 800 rupees. AUNC condition Jawaharlal Nehru Noida Mint. You can see the mint mark. Here the mint mark and the round ring here, and lathe ring also there on top of Jawaharlal Nehru lathe ring. Only for 2200 rupees with mild rotation also. UNC condition 1947 Lahore Mint only for 1400 rupees. (1950) Mumbai Mint 1600 rupees. UNC condition. You can see the rotation, mild rotation also there. Only for 1600 rupees. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Noida Mint UNC condition. See the disc effect. See the mint mark. Big fat mint mark is there. Only for 3000 rupees. Chinmayananda set Lion variety Hyderabad Mint set is this is only for 300 rupees. Jawaharlal Nehru Kolkata and Mumbai Mint mix here. 9 pieces are there for 400 rupees. AUNC condition to AUNC to UNC type of condition. Nehru 50 paise English legend only for 200 rupees. UNC condition. Sorry, Mumbai Mint 200 rupees. Gandhi Mumbai Mint 200 rupees. This is also 50 paise. 25th anniversary flag coin UNC condition Mumbai Mint for 200 rupees. Asian Games 10 paise Kolkata Mint UNC condition for 100 rupees. Bhagat Singh Hyderabad Mint for 100 rupees. Sant Dhaneshwar Mumbai Mint UNC condition for 100 rupees. Louis Bailey Mumbai Mint 100 rupees. UNC condition. Jawaharlal Nehru Mumbai Mint UNC condition. Only for 100 rupees. Velur sacrifice Mumbai Mint only for 200 rupees. UNC condition. Without mint mark BHU 200 rupees each. No mint mark 200 rupees each coin. And I have this 6 coins for 600 rupees. Kolkata Mint AUNC condition. You can see Kolkata Mint Quit India Hyderabad Mint, Shama Prasad Mukherjee, Tourism Year, Hyderabad Mint, and these 3. And these 3 Aurobindo, Kolkata Mint, only for 600 rupees. UNC type of condition. That's all for today, friends. Thank you for watching. See you again.